Dirty Maintenance Short.
What's going on, guy? Welcome to another Dirty Maintenance Show. Got a dishwasher here that's not turning on. I'll let you check it out. See, we should hear the motor buzzing or something. I think the motor's locked up in here. I'll show you how to unlock it. It's just two screws here. One right there and one right here. You don't have to take this one all the way out. You just back it out a little bit. The panel will slide to the left. There's our motor. Alright dudes, there's our motor right there. Right here, this is your dishwasher motor. Now all the veterans will know this trick, but I'm doing this for the new guys. It's pretty much one of the first tips you learn from your maintenance supervisor when you start out. When the supervisor's not sitting in the shop drinking coffee and smoking cigarettes. Oh! Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. Don't message me. But the motor's locked up. I'll show you how to get it unlocked. It's pretty easy. Oh, look at there. That's real nice. That guy gave a fart, didn't he? No cover. I'll have to go to the shop and get a cover for that. I didn't build the place. This is new construction, so the contractor, whoever installed it, did that. But back to the motor. Alright dudes, what you want to do is get you a flathead. And see these little teeth right here? Put your flathead on it and turn that. You want to get it unstuck. Sometimes it takes a little finagling. Sometimes we got to get two flatheads and spin it around. I'll show you. This one's going to call for a twofer. Twofer flathead. Alright, I got me two flats. I'm just going to keep turning these teeth until it busts loose. You'll feel it go loose. It'll just spin freely. That's when you know it's done. Let's try it. Nope, not yet. See it's slowly spinning there? Not yet. Just keep working at it. Some of them are easier than others. Some of them you just pop the flathead in there and boom, it just goes. Ooh, almost. Almost. Alright, come on, baby. If it gives you too much trouble, you can just take it out and install a new one. Man, dudes, this one's been a real goober head. When people don't use their dishwasher and they hand wash, these motors get all locked up. I think I got it now though, man. Hallelujah. Yeah, so I'm just touching the teeth. You just get the teeth and turn them. And it'll unlock it. I'm not touching anything electrical, I'm just spinning the teeth there. Think I got it though, man. Oh, goober head. Here we go. Hallelujah. Alright, that's how you do it, man. Usually it's buzzing. You'll hear it buzzing real loud. But this one wasn't making any noise at all. So if you hear a buzz or you don't hear a noise when you turn your dishwasher on, pull the panel off and check your motor here. Just turn those teeth. And if you just can't get it, it just doesn't seem like it's going to break for you, you'll probably have to replace the motor. But 9 times out of 10 this works, and I never have to come back. I don't remember the last time I've had to replace a motor. This usually works. So there you go, guys. Thank y'all for watching the Dirty Maintenance Show.